Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a freshman bio major at Reed on a pre-med track. I work in the admissions office as a tour guide, and I also live in Trillium this year, which is one of the newer buildings on campus and in my opinion also one of the nicest. And it's also LEED's Platinum, which is this certification that means Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. And that basically means it's designed in a way that's energy efficient and reduces waste. And in terms of how this affects day-to-day life, all the doors to get into the building are low energy swinging doors, so when you walk in it sounds like you're entering a spaceship. And we also have an eco-friendly ventilation system that brings in air from the outside. So this is Trillium. I live here on the second floor, which has this huge common area that is actually temporarily closed right now while people get back into the routine of surveillance testing. So Trillium's floor plan basically consists of one wing on the first floor, which is down there, 3 on the second and third, and 2 on the fourth. The laundry room is also down there in 1 west. And this year, each wing is a different residential pod, which means all the people you live with are also in your humanities conference and one other in-person class, which for me this year was bio. And this is done to kind of minimize exposure. My pod, I live in 2 South. We have a private kind of conference/study room area. And this is a really nice place to go, especially after you get a lab assignment and you have this whiteboard we can work in. And this is 2 South. So this is our kitchen and common area. We have a bigger common area for the whole second floor, but this one is for my pod specifically. This is my common kitchen. We have our drying rack, which is a really big deal for us. We were so excited to have one this semester. And this is a paper mache project, I think left over from last semester. This is our rice cooker. And this is the communal fridge. So often in the fridge, people will mark stuff with a K for commie or communal, and then everyone can share it. So a lot of times there'll be like commie brownies that someone makes and like leaves a batch out of. This is another little reading nook. It has like this cement wall. The good thing about Trillium is that it's almost entirely cement, so you can really easily decorate it with chalk because everything can be wiped off. So this is our little cement graffiti wall. These are the bathrooms and the showers. So we have 3 showers here in our wing, and then we have where all the sinks are, where people stand together and brush their teeth and wash their face. And these are the toilets. So we have 3 toilets here, and they're all like each one individual room. They're all gender neutral. And then we have 1 more bathroom down at the end of the hall that is the handicapped bathroom. So this one is a sink and a shower and a toilet all in one. It has like a detachable shower head. And over here is my room. So I really like kind of being in this corner space because the second I step out, I have a full floor-to-ceiling window that gives me a really nice view. And a lot of times there'll be geese covering this field. And this is my room. So I have a divided double again, which means I have this kind of 3/4 wall that divides the 2 sides of my room, which I really like, because now I have a dedicated space for sleep and kind of the life I live. And then this side is for study. And Trillium also has these in every room, so I actually have 1 for each side of my room. And I like to be warm, so I keep them one side at like 75 and 1 at 70. And I have 2 climates, separate climates on each side of my room as a result. And I have 2 closets and these sort of cubby things. All the rooms in Trillium kind of come with this set of drawers. So there's a big kind of wider set for you to put clothes in, and then this one, which is sort of supposed to be for knickknacks and things like that. And then this is the bed I sleep in. If you buy all of your college stuff through OCM, which is an option for Reed, you get a mattress topper and like sheets to fit your bed perfectly because these are twin XL beds and all sorts of stuff. And another thing I really like about Trillium is the fact that we have these floor-to-ceiling windows. So I've never lived in a house that had floor-to-ceiling windows. And honestly, I wasn't expecting anything super nice when I moved into dorms, but these are way past the expectations I had. I also have so many plants on this side of my room because I remember during orientation week, the Gray Fund, which is this fund dedicated to Reed students having fun, the Gray Fund organized this event where if we showed up, we got a free succulent and a free acrylic set of paints and a plant pot.